Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to share with you something that I just, I don't know, maybe it's been done before, but this is the first time that I'm going to try it. In the last video I posted, I'm talking about the Cricut Mac Press with the Infusible ink. But as a lot of you know, I have a small business and I do printing. So I don't think I want to spend the money on the Cricut, so I decided to do an experiment. So what we're going to do, you're going to get Infusible ink from Cricut, and I got a few of them some time ago, so I just need to pick one. We're advertising it before, but they recently started selling it. So what you're going to need for this video is going to be your Cricut, and of course your Cricut program, the designed space, a piece of infusible ink, and some tape, and of course your Mac press. Again, I'm not using the Cricut Mac press. I'm using my own, and there's a picture of that right here. So basically, because now they already selling the Mac press from Cricut, they already, once you download the system and go through the process, they added the images, they added mugs, like templates. So we're just gonna go to the search, and then we're gonna go mugs, and if you see here, there's quite a few that you can use. Okay, you can choose any of those. I'm going to choose that. I'm not going to make it. I just want to choose it. There's a few of them that you can do. I just want to show you. I'm not going to use any of them. So now I'm going to insert the one that I chose, and there it is. Okay. So right now I'm going to save this because that's not the one I want to do. And I'm going to go to upload. In the description box, I'm going to put the website of this lady. Her name is Jennifer. And she has these images for free. So you can just follow. I think you need to subscribe to her page. And then you need to get a passcode. I don't know if it's the same one for everybody, but mine was craft. So I'm going to put all the information below. So I got these from her. And this one have already the one for the 12 ounces and the one for the 15 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the butterfly one. And as if you already know, and I have it on the video before this one, Cricut has their own mugs. And they are sublimation mugs. I have mine that I get from a different company. They are like half of the price of those. And I'm going to put the name of the company where I get them. And it's just basically a sublimation mug. And I didn't know that you could use this paper, the infusible ink to do mugs. But now we know we can. So if you look up here, here are both of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off one of them. This is for the 12 ounces and the other one is for the 15 ounces. And pretty much we're just going to be putting this in a sublimation mug, and I'm going to show you how. But I want to go ahead and add maybe another butterfly in this the space, in the green space. So I'm going to go to images right there, and I'm going to look for a cute butterfly. I think I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. So bring it in. So I have it here. I'm going to make it a little smaller. So now I'm going to go to text, and I want to type God is, and then I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this font, and then I'm going to make a duplicate, click twice on it, and I'm going to put love. God is love. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve this one. The God is, I'm going to curve it this way. So I think that's about all right. And I'm going to bring it in to see where is it that I want it. And then, so now I'm going to curve the love to the other way. Okay, so I want to put it like to where I think I want it. So I think that's about where I want it. So now what I want to do, I want to take this off, this away from it, and I'm going to grab this together, and I'm going to slice. You have your slice right in the bottom right here. So I'm going to go ahead and slice it, and I'm going to separate. So I don't need this and I don't need this. So now I want to bring in the love. You have to do them separate. Bring it to the front and put it more or less where I wanted it. I'm going to do again. I don't think I'm happy with that. A little like that. So now I'm going to bring it again. I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to slice it again. When you slice with Cricut, you have to do each word or each image at a time. So now we have God is love. And then we're going to go ahead and add the butterfly. We bring it to the front. And then we got to place it maybe smaller and maybe curve it a little bit. Just like that. Maybe just a little tiny bit smaller. You decide. I mean, you're the creator. You decide what you want to do, okay? So there it is. I think that's where I want it. A little bigger right there. So now I'm going to do again the same thing. I'm going to grab all of it together, and I'm going to slice it again. So at this point I just take all of that off, just like so. There it is, and there's my image. So now the color that I chose, it has pink, blue, and green, and then again pink and purple. This is the one that I'm going to use. So I think I'm going to make it, I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to make it into like a light blue, just like that, okay? So now we're going to go make, and we're going to mirror, always mirror, okay? And then bring it, and I always tell everybody when I do these videos, take it away from the red line, just a tiny bit, just like that, okay? We're coming over here. We're going to go ahead and place this how we want it. So I think I want to do it here, so that the color needs the right side of it needs to be up. There it is. And then you're going to go custom. You're going to bring your to custom, and then you're going to go continue. And then you're going to go browse all materials. And you're going to go into the search. Infusible. There it is. And there you have it. You chose that one. There you go, done. And then you go here where it says pressure. You're going to put to more right there. So now we go back to this. We put it in. We press where it's flashing. Bring it down. And there it goes. Here it is. It's already done. Let me bring it to you a little closer. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. And then we're going to go ahead and we Be careful when you do this, because this is a little more stiff than the regular vinyl. So pretty much you're just gonna start cleaning it and weeding it. So go ahead and do yours, and I will see you in a little bit. Here it is. It doesn't look super clean, but don't worry about this is hard to weed, but don't worry about the white spots because they're not going to show anyways. Okay, so here's the print. So you basically are going to put it around your coffee mug, and it's going to cover the whole thing, and then you're going to decide how is it that you want to put it, make it even and stuff. So here it is. That's what I'm working on right now. Make sure that it's at the same, it's level nicely. So this is barely my second mug. So here it is. So then you just go ahead and press here on the side, and you go ahead and add some of the tape, and then you go ahead and make sure that it's everything even right here, right there, and you go ahead and press right here and put another piece of tape. And you do not need butcher paper with this. Okay, so here is already my machine. It went down a little bit. We're going to make it 370 at 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to wait for it to get to the 370. That's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and put our mug right in there, right in the middle. Make sure you don't lean it too much to one side to the other one, because I have broken handles because I don't put it right in the middle. Okay, so there it is. We're going to leave it 5 minutes, and we'll see you back. Okay, 3 more seconds, and it's already beeping. So here we are. There we go. So it is super hot. Look at that. Okay, we're going to let it sit for just a minute. I am going to go ahead and add all of the items that I use for this video in the description below. And if you decide to experiment on this, make sure that you go on my Facebook and post a picture. I would really like to see what you came out with. But here it is. We're going to go ahead and take it off and see what happened. We're taking the tape off. This is super, 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 super hot. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. This is dishwasher safe. You can put it in the dishwasher. You can put it to soak. To soak is exactly like sublimation, but we use the infusible ink. So what do you think, guys? As this is it, look at how beautiful it looks. I love it. I really like it. So for now, that's all I have for you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay safe. Until next time, thank you.